Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you what needs to be done, guys, to remove or replace driver's side knee airbag. It might be helpful for the passenger side as well, guys, if you have one. Stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done. Very important things, guys, that you need to follow, otherwise those airbags can kill you, guys. So first, you need to, guys, disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour, okay, before starting anything on airbag systems. Why? Because that way the system will discharge and the possibility for something to blow up and kill you, guys, it's less, but it's still there. So if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it, guys, and consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that, and want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all the parts and tools from for a really good price as well. So first, what we'll do, we have our car battery disconnected, guys. Go ahead and disconnect your car battery. You can Google, okay, or search the video on our channel, search the video, the correct way to disconnect car battery. We'll explain how to do that. We have it on a Dodge Dart. Once you do that now, guys, okay, we have to take that panel off. Okay, that panel needs to come out so we can actually access the airbag. Stay with us, we're going to go ahead, do that, and we're going to get to the driver's side knee airbag. Our car battery is disconnected. I'll go ahead, remove that panel, and we'll continue. So what we need to do now, guys, okay, we need to get a 7mm socket. This is, guys, 7mm. Okay, let me focus here quick. This is a 7mm socket right here with the electric screwdriver, so it can save us a little bit of time. And if you come under the steering wheel right here, there is one screw that we need to remove. Okay, you can see this one here. Perfect. Okay, this one's coming out. Now what else we need to do? Right here, guys, okay, we have one cover that we need to pry open. I would recommend to use only plastic panel removal tools. We have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, what you're going to do, you need to get underneath. Okay, let me pass the camera quick here so I don't drop that thing. Perfect. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that we need to remove. So with that being said, guys, what else we have? Here we have one more bolt that we're going to remove. Then we have one more over there. Things started looking better now. What else we need to do, guys? Okay, right here I'm going to get the panel removal tool, and okay, we're going to pry here a few clips open. Perfect. Now I'll come on this side over there. Let me just see. Okay, it will take me just 1 second. Okay, perfect. And that trim piece, okay, came out just like that, guys. You can see all the way loose. So this cover now completely out of the way. Now what we need to do here, guys, okay, let me explain to you. This is, guys, okay, your driver's side knee airbag. On the left side, okay, right here on the left side, on the back side, you're going to have a wire. This is, guys, the wire, okay, I'm talking about. And I access this wire, guys, okay, through right here. Okay, you can see it through here. And how you disconnect it, okay, you pull that red piece. Okay, let me explain quick. That red piece, you pull it out, and then you grab it and you pull it straight out. Do not twist, no, just go ahead and pull it out. With the car battery disconnected, stay out of the way so it doesn't blow in your face and all that stuff. With that being said, guys, okay, we have only four nuts that we need to remove. Okay, I'm going to explain that now to you because I don't want to remove the airbag because it will take a while, guys, and I don't want to waste your time. But accessing through right here now, check it out, on top of the airbag, you have 4 nuts with 10mm socket. Okay, one is here, one towards the back, one nut there, and one over there. So these 4 nuts are with 10mm socket, guys. Go ahead, get them loose, guys, and the moment you remove these nuts, your airbag will come completely down. It will just come off, guys, with no problems. Those are the only 4 nuts holding there. So hopefully guys you'll get the idea what needs to be done. Okay, wiring harness, where the nuts are and all that stuff, because some of you may think, okay, that you have rivets right here. Okay, that's part of the airbags, don't mess with it. The nuts are kind of like, okay, looking at the airbag now, one here, one there, and on this side, one here, one there, on the top side of the airbag. Okay, you access them through the top, guys. There is no way for me to even stick the camera there and show you, but that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.